for today's video, ang papakita po namin ngayon ay screwdriver Kingsdun 130 in 1 screwdriver set KS-840130. Number 1, description, 130 in 1 screwdriver set. Number 2, shell, internal structure, small rubber tips. Number 3, handle, PP+TPR. Number 4, plastic soft rod. Number 5, transparent suction cup, 35 mm. Number 6, take the card in. Number 7, stainless steel tweezers. Number 8, 1 word and 2 crowbars. Number 9, thin triangle, 2 pieces. Number 10, thin triangle, 2 pieces. Number 11, 3 pieces long bit, 35 mm long, S2 PH000, P2Y000. Product name, 130 through screwdriver set. Brand, Kingsdun. Model niya is KS-840130. Ang weight niya is 601 grams. Ang bit material niya is CRV material. Ang shell material is PPC material.
So Banji, what is the use of Kingsdun 130 in 1 screwdriver set KS-840130?
The Kingsdun 130 in 1 screwdriver set KS-840130 is comprehensive toolkit that offers a wide range of screwdriver bits and accessories for various applications. Here are some common uses of the Kingsdun 130 in 1 screwdriver set KS-840130. Number 1, electronics repair. The set is suitable for repairing electronic devices such as smartphone, tablets, laptops, cameras, and gaming consoles. It included precision screwdriver bits for the assembling electronic gadgets. Number 2, appliance repair. It can be used for repairing small household appliances like toasters, coffee makers, blender, and more. The set includes variety of screwdriver bits to handle different types of screw-in appliances. Number 3, watch repair. The set is handy for watchmakers and for repairing and adjusting watches. It includes specialized screwdriver bits for opening watch cases, replacing batteries, and adjusting watch bands. Number 4, eyeglasses repair. It is suitable for fixing eyeglasses, sunglasses, and other optical devices. The set includes small precision screwdriver bits for tightening screw, replacing nose pads, and making adjustment to eyewear. Number 5, DIY projects. The screwdriver set is versatile for various DIY projects at home or in workshop. It can be used for assembling furniture, fixing toys, repairing bicycles, and other DIY tasks that involve screw. Number 6, computer and laptop repair. It is useful for opening up computer cases, replacing hardware components, upgrading RAM or hard drives, and performing maintenance on desktops and laptops. Number 7, automotive repair. The set can be used for basic automotive repair and maintenance tasks that involve screws such as changing oil, filters, replacing interior trim, or installing car accessories. Number 8. Crafting and hobby projects. Craft and hobby can use the screwdriver set for crafting projects, model making, woodworking, and other intricate tasks that require precision screwdrivers. Overall, the Kingsdun 130-in-1 screwdriver set KS-840130 is versatile toolkit that is essential for a wide range of applications including electronics repair, appliances repair, watch repair, eyeglasses repair, DIY projects, computer repair, automotive repair, crafting, and hobby projects. So, yun lang guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you!